We need to cut half a cucumber into slices that are thick enough and then sprinkle some salt and chili powder over it. You can use these as per your taste. Also, set the cucumber slices and prepare this chaat directly on your serving plate like I have. This recipe is usually prepared in Karnataka. It is very easy and quick to make and is healthy too. Now sprinkle some lemon juice over the slices. This will give you a very nice and sour flavor. Now add some green chutney over each of these slices and spread it out evenly. This will make the chaat a little spicy and will enhance the flavor. The green chutney is very easy to make. We will need some mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic, ginger, lemon and few other spices to prepare this chutney. I'm also using tamarind chutney for this. You can use either one of these if you want to, or you can use both of them. Now add the tamarind chutney over the slices and spread it out evenly just like we did with the green chutney. These chutneys are a mandate for almost all the chaats we prepare. Without these, the flavor of the chaat would decrease and hence I have used both of them. But again, as I said, you can use either one of them. So this is the time where we will add our grated carrot. I have used about 1/4 of a large carrot and I have grated it, which yielded to around 2 tablespoons of grated carrot. If you do prepare any of my recipes, please do post a picture of it on your social media accounts and tag my account. You can find the account details down in the description box or at the end of the video. Adding onions to a chaat is a must, isn't it? Yes. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped onions over these slices. Every bite of the salad is going to be crunchy and juicy. We will now add chopped coriander leaves over it. The chaat already looks so colorful and delicious, but we aren't done yet. We can add puffed rice or even beaten rice, that is poha, over it. It is optional. Just sprinkle some over the pieces. Now to top it all, we will add the last ingredient, that is safe. And now our delicious, crunchy and appetizing cucumber chaat is now ready to be served. Enjoy! I wish each one of you a very happy Independence Day from Simple Cooking. Jai Hind!